Lucy Mecklenburgh has shared the warning signs behind her son Roman's terrifying intensive care scare in a bid to help other mums. The mum of one was left shaken after discovering the 18-month-old blue and struggling for breath in his cot last week. He was rushed to hospital where medics managed to successfully treat him. After being inundated with messages from mums asking to know the signs and what to look out for in case they found themselves in a similar position, Lucy today decided to share more details. She wrote on Instagram, "Roman had a viral-induced wheeze, so a couple of times in the last 2 months he wakes up with a slight cold in the morning. He has a little wheeze by lunchtime, and by dinner time we are in A&E as he's struggling to breathe. As we can see, his chest is sucking in and working really hard. We are usually out by the morning after the nebuliser, oxygen and steroids, and monitoring overnight. This time, however, he had a little wheeze at lunchtime but no wheeze before bed, and he seemed completely fine other than a snotty nose. I still gave him 2 puffs of his inhaler before bed just in case. When I heard very quiet cries of distress at around 4 a.m. I went in his room. He was blue/gray, floppy when I picked him up, in and out of consciousness and sick in his mouth. I called 999, cleared his mouth and gave him his inhaler. I wish I could say I stayed calm, but I really didn't." Yesterday, Lucy revealed that Roman now needs an inhaler twice a day after the ordeal. In a distressing post last week, Lucy described the terrifying moment she found Roman in the cot as every parent's worst nightmare. She said, "As some of you may have noticed, we haven't been on social media lately. Just over a week ago I found Roman blue in his cot, probably every parent's worst nightmare." Without going into too much detail, it ended up with Roman being transferred to St. Mary's London Intensive Care, being put on a ventilator. "Thankfully we are now all home and Roman is back to his cheeky self." She added, "Although mentally we as a family may never fully recover, we feel extremely blessed to have our special boy home in our arms, and it has truly opened our eyes to all the hardworking superheroes working in our hospitals." Former Corey star Ryan, who won Celebrity Big Brother, said it had been the scariest time of their lives as he shared a picture of him cuddling his son in hospital. The couple have launched a fundraising page for Cosmic Charity, which looks after babies and children in intensive care. The pair have pledged to do all they can to give back to those who saved their son's life.